Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add speaker notes to your slides using voice typing. So speaker notes are little notes that show up on the bottom, and they help remind you of certain points you want to make while a slide is on the screen. Things like that, things maybe you don't want on the slide, but you want to make sure you remember to do or say or whatever. So if I go to Tools, and I go to Dictate Speaker Notes, the little voice typing toggle over here becomes available, and you can click on it to speak, and when I do this it will automatically add what I say to the box at the bottom for speaker notes. So watch as I provide an example. For this slide, make sure to emphasize the difference between the performance of Team 3 and the performance of Teams 2 and 4. When I'm done with what I want to say, I simply click off the microphone, and there is my speaker notes typed in there using voice typing. I didn't have to type that by hand. Very nice little feature. It's actually available in a lot of different Google Docs. Really great tool to use, saves a lot of time. But you can add speaker notes to your slides simply by dictating them into the proper box.